Fortunately, in your timeline, you have user-friendly AI tools that can turn your computer into a Hollywood studio. Actually, let me go back to the future and show you. Wonder Studio by Wonder Dynamics. This is an AI tool that easily brings computer-made characters to life in live-action scenes. Until very recently, making this live-action animation would have taken a team of artists and sophisticated studios. I just did this by myself for a nano fragment of the price and zero freaking animation skills. Also zero dancing skills. That's insane. To create your own, simply upload your video, choose the actor, pick a 3D character, and Wonder Studio will literally handle the rest, including animation and lighting that actually matches your video. This is like a team of animation experts on steroids. And you might be thinking this tech will lead to job losses, but you're right. Fortunately, it is also creating opportunities. And of course, I'll share how you can benefit, but first, you need to see this. Kyber is an impressive AI tool that creates super unique videos based on what you tell it.
This is an experimental computer system that recognizes what I say.
So if you have an idea but not the skills to bring it to reality, tell it. If you have the skills but need inspiration, tell it. And just for fun, tell it something.
Okay, here we go. Blink eyes.
Talking about easy, Runway Gen 2. We recently talked about it, but a new update gives users not only the superpower to turn still images into video clips, it now hands you control over camera movements to further personalize your creations. And it's so simple to use. I literally made this yesterday while watching episodes of Knight Rider. And yet, I haven't even shown you the AI tool that makes entire videos off of one sentence. This is Invideo AI, which does all of that and also allows you to edit the videos by simply writing.
You can edit right here on the screen. You can add words like this, or you can remove words like that.
And each change actually edits and re-edits your video. No editing skills needed. I put it to the test with this very basic direction, no further details, and it actually created a pretty decent piece of content.
Ever found yourself stuck in procrastination? You're not alone. It's a common hurdle. We'll delve into strategies to reclaim productivity today. First on the list is understanding the why. Procrastination arises from confusion about task importance.
Now, while it's a pretty cool concept, the videos generated are actually pretty simple and straightforward. In other words, you won't get a Hollywood movie out of this yet. But this is more than enough for businesses and schools to save millions of dollars on content creation. That's pretty powerful. And that's the current nature of AI. It takes, but it also gives. Take 3D artistry, for instance, a field booming thanks to AI. A single 3D artist with AI tools can now rival a small team without them. Artists without 3D designing skills can now participate thanks to these easy AI tools. Even people at stick figure level like me are finding opportunities in this industry through very creative approaches. For some, this may be scary or exciting. The difference lies on who takes action. Will that be you?